5.3, can't go wrong with it.
Alright, what's up YouTube? Stan, back with another video. Appreciate you for checking in with me. So I don't know what this video is going to be about. I'm just kind of going with the flow. You already know what it is because you see this thumbnail and the title to the video. But I think I'm going to tinker with the truck a little bit. I've got two video ideas for that. I got to do a little work on the CTSV, and my buddy Derek's coming over with his 2022 ZL11LE, and I'm putting an E85 sensor in that. But that's probably not what the video is about. I don't really know what it's about, like I said. So we're gonna get into the video. I appreciate you for watching. Make sure you watch all the ads to this video. Give this video a thumbs up. I'm gonna put a like goal on this one of 25 likes. You guys are getting pretty close to the like goal, so I'm gonna keep doing that. I really appreciate that. The likes help me more than anything. You hear that on YouTube a lot, and it's because it's the truth. So make sure you like this video, subscribe to the channel, drop a comment down below, check out my other videos, because sometimes you guys don't watch the other videos. So make sure you check out some of the other stuff. If it's about the truck, I got tons of video on the truck. If you like the Camaro stuff or the CTSV stuff, I got stuff like that, and I'm pretty sure I hear Derek coming. So yeah, we're gonna do that first. Alright YouTube, so I hope you're enjoying this video so far. Make sure you watch it all the way to the end. But I've got one thing to ask you. Go down in the description of this video and hit those Amazon affiliate links. But let me explain how it works. You see this box in my hand? This is a GXENOGO Genius 10. But if you don't know what this is a portable jump box. Lately, more than I would like to admit, me and my dad have needed a jump box. Well, his birthday's coming up. So I figured, how can I solve this problem and get him something that he can actually use? Well, I said, let's get him a jump box. Hopped on Amazon, clicked on my Amazon affiliate link, and bought it. So this is going to be the first link in the description below. But here's the trick. If you just click on those links, whether you're buying something for yourself or for someone else as a gift or surprise or anything like that, it uses my affiliation all the way throughout your checkout. So like I said, it's that simple. Just click the link, it takes you to Amazon, buy whatever your heart's desires, and I get a little kickback. But you don't have to give me money. You're gonna give it to Amazon anyway, so just help me out. Like I said, I really hope you enjoy the video. That's it.
All right, go ahead. E85 all set up on this bad boy now. It is good to go.
Alright YouTube, so I just pulled the truck in the garage, had some fun with the ZL1. Great driving car, Derek. But anyways, like I said earlier in the video, you already know what this video is about. I just decided 5 minutes ago that this is what I was going to do. So let me introduce you guys to these fog lights. Before I do that, so this is a disclaimer. If you got basically a 99 through 06 truck, it's very similar. For most of the years, what you're going to do, the biggest thing is, like, my truck was a LS trim level truck. So you won't be able to see it really great. But down here in the valence, my truck didn't have the provisions in its little plastic bumper guard piece for fog lights. Also, so that means I didn't have the fog light harness in the truck at all. So I'm going to try to find it for you guys, link it down in the description below. But if your truck doesn't have fog lights, that means you won't have the harness to run the fog lights I'm about to show.
So that's the first two things you got to do. You got to get the fog light harness, wire it in your truck however you want to. I think nowadays they're more plug and play. When I kind of got it, it was kind of plug and play, but you still had to do a couple other things. Anyways, that's what I'm going to show you guys. And like I said, you have to change your valence. That's fairly simple. That's something you got to do on your own. But like I said, let me introduce you to the product. Alright, so I'm going to be 100% transparent with you guys. I was sent this product to install in my truck. I'm doing it now. It's a little bit later in the afternoon because I'm about to go somewhere after I finish this, and I'm going to see if these things work. Now, I will say, my fog lights in my truck haven't been working in a while, but I think the bulbs are out. Or it could be the wiring. So this might not be 100%, but I'm going to go ahead and install them anyway. So I may have to fix that in a minute. But these are very nice. I do like them. They're a projector style bulb setup, LED, I believe. So no like halogen, AutoZone bulb that you have to get. And then they have the factor style connector there with a pretty good harness on it. So that is what we're working with. The smoke, I will tell you, my headlights are smoked, but now they're foggy. So I think I'm going to replace my headlights pretty soon anyway. I actually might do that really soon. So that might be another video. So it will match what I do to my truck, because the lights down there, like I said, you can't really see them too well. They are smoked as well. So I'm looking at the bulbs right now. They are smoked. So that'll all match. Like even, where are they? Even the daytime bulbs and these things, they're so broken. The little buckets for them are broken. I gotta fix that. But yeah, I'm gonna drop the link in the description below for these headlights or fog lights. That way you guys can get them. They sent me a link to show you guys. They're on Amazon, and sometimes they're out of stock. Here is, hopefully you'll be able to see it, the fog light, like part number, SKU number. I can't tell if you can see it or not, but there it is for you. It says 02 to 06 clear lens, but like I said, 99 is pretty much the same thing. You just have to add it in your truck, and obviously you do get two of them. And like I said, they look good. I mean, they have a good look to them. A little design down there on the edge, right around the projector itself. Really clear lens, and they seem pretty well made, because the fog lights obviously are the lowest light to the ground, so they're gonna get beat up. So I just wanted to show you guys that, show you the whole product. That way you knew what I was using. And like I said, if you're looking for that video on how to wire in your harness, I'm not doing that because mine's already in. These headlights, fog lights did work at one point, so I hope they still work. So unfortunately, this won't be your video, but I hope you still watch it anyway. And subscribe to the channel, give this video a thumbs up. But let's finish up or get started on the rest of this video. Alright, so like I said, your installation or version of this step may or probably will be different from mine. So I really want you guys to understand that. I'm not going to talk you through it because honestly, I'm just kind of doing it as I go, because I don't remember what I did. This was years ago when I installed this stuff. Alright, so I got my camera under here. Show you guys. So I got the fog light out. Your truck more than likely has these two holes already here.
Like I said, you have to get the valence that has a hole, but the holes to mount your fog lights are already there, because you gotta think they only made one bumper and your valence just changes, so your hole should be there. So if you have fog lights already, you just gotta take them out. And if you don't have fog lights, you got your holes, you just need your valence. Add the harness. Like I said, my harness is already down here. The fog lights that we're gonna put in use the same connector, and that's it. I just want to show you guys that so you understood what we're doing.
Like I was saying, my bulbs for my fog lights didn't work, and as you can see, they are way broken. Of course, they're not gonna work like that. You can hear it riding around inside the fog light. So these things are pretty toast anyway, so this is kind of a good deal for your boy to swap them out.
Okay, so being completely transparent with you guys, I had to drill out these holes to use the hardware that I want to use. I wanted to make the install a little bit easier, so I just wanted to show you guys that. I don't know if the camera's going to focus on it, but it's plastic. If you got any drill bit that's a decent size, like I'm using a 21/64 bit. I mean, like I said, this is just for the hardware that I'm using. You might use something different. I had this little Harbor Freight set that I was going to use, but I decided to use this one instead because I want something a little bit more substantial to hold it in, but it's totally subjective. I just wanted to let you guys know.
Alright, so there it is. I got it. Like I told you just a minute ago, you gotta have the harness. But now I have a light. That mine are wired in with my headlights when my daytime headlights come on, or nighttime headlights come on. And I have really loud fans for my bulbs. But anyways, like I said, you see that bulb's out as well, just like that fog light. But with the Amazon, I really don't know the company name. They just sent me like a link. So let me turn this light off because it's really loud.
Alright, quick break before I finish up the other side. So I want to be completely transparent with you guys. This company, these fog lights, they did not pay me to put these in. One, like I said, I kind of need them because I just showed you what I had. It didn't work. They're just a regular housing with a regular bulb. So they asked me if I was willing to make a video on it. This is probably one of the first, I guess, sponsored videos I've done for you guys. So they didn't pay me to say any good things about it. They just sent me the lights. Like I said, they need the lights. We just seen that they work. I don't know how bright they will be. I don't know if they'll really even be worth your while. So take this with a grain of salt. If you're looking to install fog lights into your MBS or like I said, 99 to newer truck, or really 97 and newer, but whatever year you have, if you're looking to install these fog lights or any fog lights in your truck because you didn't get fog lights from the factory like me, I would recommend this. This is a way better quality than what I had in. I was a lot younger back then. I was just getting what I could afford. But if you can save up your pennies, check out that link that I'm gonna put in the description below. And I think these are really good for what they are. Like I said, I mean, you're not gonna get $1,000 set of fog lights versus something that's $200 or $150. Fog lights are fog lights. They're not your primary light for you to see at night. They just look good, and like I said, these are LEDs. They match my bulbs. I need to fix my headlights, like I said, but we'll get to that eventually. So I just wanted to let you guys know I'm gonna finish the other side. There's no reason to record it because I pretty much explained everything, and you'll need some more information besides what I'm doing on here. So if you have questions, drop a comment down below. But let me finish up, get the truck back on all fours, and then we'll finish this video.
guys. So I had to adjust them a little bit. I had to adjust the lights a little bit, but they do look really good. And looking at the garage door, they're super bright. I'll be honest with you guys, my headlights suck. So that's why it looks like that on the garage door, because my headlights suck. But they are bright. They're very, very bright. Clear. I'm going for like the clear headlight look, not the yellow, not the super blue look, just the clear, just straight like clear, not white. Well, white, yeah, I guess that's what they call it, white. But got fog lights back, so maybe I'll be able to see at night. I'll be honest too, you gotta like secure the housing because it like flutters, mainly because my truck's cammed ridiculously, so the truck shakes. I don't know if you can see it right now, but I can see it shaking like crazy. So if you have a regular truck, you probably won't have that problem, but I just want to throw that in there just for you guys. Good old 5.3, can't go wrong with it. But yeah, I think I'll end the video here. It's cold outside in Georgia. So cold to me is probably not cold to you, so I don't want to hear it. But I think this will be the end of the video. I'll drive the truck tonight, and if I have any extra comments, I'll add it in. But if not, like this video, subscribe to the channel. I appreciate you guys for watching. This was pretty cool. Check the links down below. Everybody have a good day.